Good morning everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment. In today's segment student we will discuss about the mirror formula and sign convention. In your board exam student you may have some question related to numericals and those numericals you can easily solve if you know about the mirror formula and sign convention. So what is the mirror formula student? Mirror formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. This is the mirror formula. And what is the length formula student? Just opposite of it, and in that you can write 1 upon f 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. And with the help of this plus and minus, this plus will come in the mirror formula and minus will come in the length formula. Many times the students are confused and they are confused in this sign student. So in the mirror formula what you will write? You will write plus 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Now what is v and what is u or what is f student? About this you should know. F for focal length student. F for focal length means the distance in between P for pole and focus, principal focus is known as focal length. And this focal length is represented by this frequency f student. This sign we use. And what is v here? V for image distance means the distance of the image from the pole is known as image distance, and this distance is represented by v. By v we represent it. And what is u student? U for object distance. The distance of the object from the pole is known as object distance, and we represent it or we symbolize it by u. So f for focal length, v for image distance, and u for object distance. U for object distance student. Now we come on the next formula, that is f. F is always equal to r upon 2. Many times student question come, and in that question there is only radius of the curvature is written. So if you know about the radius of curvature, then you can easily get the f for focal length you can easily get. So this is the formula, and this formula you can also learn to solve the numericals related to mirror formula student. Because many times in the question the radius of the curvature is written. If you know about the radius of curvature, then you can easily get. And how can you get the radius of the curvature? If you multiply it by the focal length. So these are the two small formulas, and with the help of this you can also solve some short numericals. Now we come on the next. It is linear magnification student. Linear magnification. What is the magnification student? Enlargement of the image. So what is the formula of the linear magnification in the case of concave mirror? It is student the ratio of the height of the object. The ratio of the height of the object to the height of the image. Means the ratio of the height of the image to the ratio of the height of the object. It is the magnification. Means magnification is always equal to hi upon ho. The ratio of the image, height of the image of an object to the height of the object. Hi upon ho. Hi for height of the image, ho for height of the object, and this formula you will write for the magnification. And in the place of height of the image or height of the object, you can also use another formula. And what is it, student? It is minus v upon u. What is v here? V for image distance and u for object distance. So minus v upon u you can also use to find the linear magnification. And in the case of concave mirror, student, linear magnification is always negative, and in the case of convex mirror it is always positive. So you learn it. Now we come on the sign convention. There are the different sign are used, means positive or the negative sign are used, student. And if you know about those sign, then you can easily solve the numerical. Many times students don't know about the sign convention, they know only about the formula. If they put the quantity directly in the formula, they don't get the answer. If they don't know about the sign convention, that where we use the positive sign and where we use the negative sign, if they don't know, then they can't solve the numericals related to mirror, student. Now in this, there are the different type of sign convention are used, and in the sign convention there are the sign convention are used according to the mirror, student. Like concave mirror in general have the negative sign, because the concave mirror in general it makes real and inverted image, and in the real and inverted image we use the negative sign. And in case of convex mirror we use the positive sign, student. So cave side or the cave mirror, in the cave mirror, concave mirror, we use which sign, student? Negative. And in the convex we use positive sign. Now in this, in both the mirror, concave as well as convex, in both the mirror there is the sign convention of the object distance always remains negative, student, because always the object is found at the side of incident ray, That's why the sign convention of the object distance is always negative. And when you write the given quantity, then with the given quantity you will use this sign to solve the numerical. Which sign you will use in both the cases, concave and convex? Negative sign, because the object is found at which side, student? At the incident ray side. Now we come on the next sign convention. In the concave you write the negative sign convention, negative. In the case of the image distance you write the negative sign convention or negative sign, and at the side of convex you will use the positive sign. Now they are positive, student, because visual in getting the visual and direct image we use all these things, means the image distance, focal length, magnification, these all quantities will be in positive because they are in other side. They are formed in other side, student. And which quantity, which sign convention we will use for them? It is positive sign. Positive sign we will use. In this concave, this image distance is always negative. If the image is real and inverted, focal length is also negative. And magnification is also negative, student, in the case of concave mirror. But in the case of convex mirror, these image distance, focal length, magnification, they are positive. They are positive, students. So positive sign you will use in the case of convex, because which type of image we are getting in that? It is virtual and erect. Now There is one exception, student, in the concave mirror. If the object is found in between P and F, in between P and F, then which type of image we get? We get virtual and erect image and highly enlarged image. Virtual, erect and highly enlarged image. That's why in this case, if the object is found in between P and F, in this case you will use which sign convention, student? Which type of sign you will use? You will use the positive sign in that exception. Means V will be positive, V will be positive, and this F will be also positive. And with the help of that you can easily solve. And it is the exception, student. It is the exception of the concave mirror. When the object is found in between P and F, which type of image is formed? It is virtual and erect. And in this, which type of sign convention we use? In the case of image distance and focal length and magnification, student, it is positive sign we use. So it is about the mirror formula and sign convention, student. Now you note down these important points in your notebook and try to solve the numericals. In our next segment, we will solve the numericals related to these formulas and sign convention. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.